For 1 second, let's ponder the possibility that all viruses are powered by a high and unknown power, a system that can make dramatic changes through our biology and awaken dormant possibilities within humanity. Imagine that system sending viruses for different reasons to different parts of the world. Viruses that cause political changes, viruses that transmit wisdom and knowledge, viruses that cause human development leaps, viruses that simply raise awareness, viruses that may even allow more love to be felt around the world. During this period of time, the coronavirus has reached all ends of the world. Maybe that higher power has decided to alter humanity for just a little bit. Maybe to soothe the frenzy and allow everyone to stay at home. Maybe it was to freeze all wars. Maybe to remember things that really matter. Maybe to stop religious rule in Iran. Maybe to stop China from becoming an economical power that wants to take over the world. Maybe to show that there is no special protection for believers of the great religions and to show that we are all equally vulnerable to the virus. And maybe for reasons we still don't understand, but we will in the future. I think we're getting a message here from a system that isn't really against us. After all, children are hardly injured by the coronavirus. And unlike what most people think, I believe this system is sending us a message of convergence and calm, less materialistic production, the ease of the war machine, the unity of globalization as we face challenges as all of humanity together, as one. And maybe the message is for all of us to just calm down and stay longer at home and strengthen our personal relationships with the people that we love. I personally wouldn't be alarmed, because in the end of the day, you're going to find that the medicine was just under our nose. To eat more fruits, to be in the sun, to drink tea with some ginger, and to be much more like children. Science doesn't fully understand the world's virus network. The viruses in the air are not considered by science to be a living thing that actually communicate one with the other and pass on information and that are somehow linked together. In fact, viruses are like small capsules of information that only arise when a suitable host can be found. They cannot live independently of the host. Viruses have been around since the beginning of life, and they work in collaboration with all animals, and therefore they are part of nature. This is even if some viruses are created unnaturally or in a laboratory. This type of nature is understood when we take the higher point of perception as to what nature actually is, and that all human progress and our unnatural conducts are also considered to be part of nature, and therefore they're required for us to learn, to experience, and to push forward. We are surrounded by viruses all the time, and we encounter millions of them every day. Science sees them as parasites, but the truth is they're more like a biological network of emails or text messages. They are a part of a network that passes information from one location to the other. There's so many of them that every time we sneeze, we're dumping 3 million viruses and bacteria into the air around us. Now, on the viral virus network of the planet, it's estimated that there is a number of viruses that is equal to the number of stars in the universe. This means that there are billions of them just hanging around every single incarnated human being at every point in time. They also must be essential, otherwise we wouldn't have been able to survive without them, and we have to have them. Now, the viruses and bacteria networks tell us what's going on in the world. They also tell us what's up with the people that are closest to us. For example, our guts have a beautiful bacterial community that is using that network to convey personal messages from one person to the other and amongst themselves. These messages can actually migrate amongst humanity and cause great things to happen. I promise you one thing, those that created it are just waiting for the right time to undo it, and it will all disappear as quickly as it spread. Namaste, my friends. Stay strong.